Loves, and welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for your support. If it's your first time here, hi, thanks for checking me out. After watching this video and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And guys, yeah, we made it. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021, our year of double blessings. And actually, this is my first video for the year. This video, I'll be sharing with you how I remove product buildup from my hair using this wonderful product. It's called Indian Healing Clay. You can get this from any beauty supply shop, ShopRite, supermarket, and it is in different sizes. Guys, please, Eliana is here and she's talking. Please pardon me. So all you have to do is just to mix everything together. You see, it's just like cement. The color is kind of gray in color. Yeah, so just mix everything with apple cider vinegar if you want, but some people like to mix theirs with only water, but I prefer to use apple cider to mix, then add a little water to it and just stir it very well. You don't need to make it too watery, just a fine consistency. It won't be too thick. Make sure you mix everything together so that you won't have lumps on it. So guys, let me leave you to watch the video, and please watch to the end. Like, this clay is wonderful. My hair, I never knew that I have coily hair all this while, not until I started using the product. And at the end, it makes the hair to be so soft, and your coils will be popping, like popping heavily. So guys, and before you start applying the product, make sure you wet your hair very well, like wet it like it's very well, so that the product can easily penetrate into your hair. So enjoy the video, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.
Heaven just knows what it wants. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure? No, no. Heaven just knows what it wants. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I found it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure?
After applying the product on your hair, you make sure you put it in a protective style so that it can easily penetrate into your hair strand. So guys, look at my hair. Yo, it's my hair. It's popping. Look at the coils. You need this. You need this. You need this for your hair. I tell you, this is so good. This is good. This is good. So I've been carrying this for about 45 minutes. Normally you're supposed to carry it for about 15 rather to 30 minutes. And you see, if you check very well, if you look closely, you will see that it's dried and you can see the coil pattern. Yeah, my hair is coily. I never knew all this while that my hair is coily, not until I started using this clay thing on my hair. And I'm telling you, just right here, the middle of my hair is very coily. So you can see it's strong, it's stiff now. So I'll be washing it without shampoo. Yeah, you don't always wash your hair with shampoo because shampoo dries out the hair. So you just wash with water and then use your conditioner, and that is it. So normally I'm supposed to use deep conditioner after washing it out, but I don't have the deep conditioner, so I just use my normal conditioner. So guys, I'll keep you updated. Let me go and wash this baby out. See, look, you guys have to try this. You have to try this. This is good. Yo, my hair feels so good. My hair feels so soft. My hair feels so alive. Please try this product out. I tell you, yeah, even though I always have shrinkage, but I tell you, I have a good result. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe and check out other of my videos, the one you're seeing down there. And thank you for watching. Bye.